So hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. GoPro 12 has an update. Okay, let's see what happened. So click on continue. Let's see. Hero 12 Black 2.10 new features. Add new custom preset name options. Usability improvements are general user interface improvements, general bug fixes. So update the camera. Let's see what happened. GoPro will switched off several times. No problem. 39. In our country, in Bangladesh, there is no 5G, so we have to use 4G internet on mobile. Connecting to your camera's Wi-Fi. Okay, no problem. Connect. More than 30 minutes or not. GoPro incorporation firmware license. Now I don't have much time to read all these things. Let's see. Let's click accept and continue. Your battery must be at least 20% charge. Device battery. Your phone battery must be at least. No. Oh, I should have stopped there. Okay guys, let's see. After that, it shows updating. Update complete. Camera will restart. Okay, no problem. Restart please. Oh, camera started. As you can see. As you can see, my camera is updating. It shows downloading update. Keep your camera plugged in if connected to power. No problem. Already I have much charge. So now it shows update complete. Update is complete when you can see the live view from the camera on the rear screen. So I already seen it, so I just want to click got it. Now you can see I'm recording. It's already 70 seconds past. Okay, so update is complete. Let's see. Here you can see my GoPro has now version 2.10. So I'm done with new update. Hero GoPro 12.